Hello Hornets, welcome to part 2 of the winter season recap on Hornet Nation. This week we cover girls basketball, boys ice hockey, gymnastics, boys bowling, and swim and dive. Now, let's get to it.
The girls basketball team had a dominant regular season with a 17-5 record led by senior and Alma College commit Caden Maida and junior Wayne State commit Kira Ream, who hit an impressive 1,000-point milestone this year. Last Friday, the team competed in the district finals against Dexter High School, where they ended up losing, which concluded their season. Now, let's get into the highlights.
Hello Hornets, I'm Aiden Burton. The boys varsity ice hockey team finished with a final record of 14-9-2, placing second in the SEC Red and making it all the way to regionals, but coming up short against Brighton with a final score of 3-1. First team all-conference players Jack Dirksen and Wyatt Church led the Hornets, with honorable mentions going to Bryce Sattler and Antonio Giacalone. The team was also represented by SEC sportsmanship winner Johnny Adepalo. Let's check out some highlights.
She know what she wanted and had to go get it without being caught. She know what she wanted and had to go steal it without giving thought. She know what she wanted and she know what she wanted and she know what she wanted and had to go get it without being caught. Piss that, piss that, piss that, piss on the roast, get back, piss that, Big Mac, piss that, right back, on the road, fight,
The Saline gymnastics team, with a brand new coach and only one upperclassman, led a strong foundation this season for our young squad. The gymnastic team had a huge win over Tecumseh as they head into the postseason. Unfortunately, their season came to an end at regionals.
Hey Hornets, I'm Camabello, and the boys bowling team has had an excellent season. Seniors Owen Below, Zach Burns, Braden Marion, Philip Narumi, Logan, and Aiden Wilson led the way to a 10-3 final record and an SEC Red Championship. Now, into the high.
Some high quality H2O. Ball. Hey, we got it! All right, Hornets up, man, Hornets up, 3. 1, 2, 3, Hornets! I got it!
Hello Hornets, I'm Ray Jenkins, reporting for Saline Boys Swim and Dive. The team had an outstanding season this year with a 7-1 SEC record. They culminated the season by avenging their only loss against rivals Ann Arbor Pioneer at the SEC Red Championship. The boys make their way to the state finals on March 14th and 15th. The team has qualifiers in every individual event, relays, and all 3 of our divers made it to states. With seniors Diego Valdez and Connor Laritzen committed to continue swimming at Xavier and Saginaw Valley State Universities respectively, our boys have big shoes to fill as our talented swim team continues. Now, on with the highlights.
Back up. There's like all these conspiracies here. Like, it's freaking hilarious.
I know. I didn't see the.